Hi guys, welcome back to Home Crux. My name is Priya and today we are going to make a Halloween ghost with this toilet paper roll. Let's get started. Take about 1 feet length of toilet paper, fold it in half, and now we are going to cut long stripes. Next, open these stripes up. Next, cut these stripes in half. And now we are going to glue these stripes on our toilet paper roll. Once the paint is dry, we are going to add our toilet paper stripes on the inside. Just add a little bit of glue. Start gluing the stripes. Once this is done, we are going to add a string so that we can hang this ghost. Tie a knot on the both ends. A little bit of hot glue inside and add a string there. Make sure not to burn yourself. Just use a pair of scissors. Glue it down. Repeat on the other side. This is how it should look. Now we are going to add some final touches, giving our ghost a mouth and eyes. Just take some acrylic paint and draw some eyes. And here is your toilet paper roll ghost. Create this with your kids this Halloween and let us know in the comments.